So once we click on apply, it gives us information regarding minimum eligibility criteria for admission. Read out the details. If you are eligible, then click on agree button. Under last qualifying exam, select HSC Standard 12th as the option for last qualifying exam. Under preferences, two questions has been asked. The first question is want to apply for in-house seat and the second question is want to apply for minority seat. Now to answer these questions, we have to refer to the college prospectus. In the college prospectus, in-house seats are for those students who belong to Standard 12th KMES institutions, that is Konkan Muslim Education Society's institutions. And for minority seat, since our college has religious minority status, hence 50% seats are reserved for learners who are belonging to Muslim minority. So if you are applicable to these two questions, you can tick over it. If you are not applicable, then you can directly ignore it. If you are clicking on want to apply for minority seat, it is asking you two options, that is what is your minority religion and what is your minority language. Once you select your minority religion and minority language, you can click on submit button. The next page displays list of colleges. Under the search bar, type 291, which is the code for GM Momin Women's College, and click on the search button. Once you click on the search button, the entire details of the college, that is district, tehsil, city and college name appears along with the college code. The next is we have to click on the select option. So this is the page where you are going to select the documents or certificates which are required to be submitted along with the application form. The required documents is already selected. Under the additional documents, you have to select the appropriate document from the list which you shall submit to the college along with your application form print. So I have selected passing certificate of standard 10th, leaving certificate, statement of marks of standard 10th. You have to keep all these documents along with you ready because in the next step we need to upload all these documents. So I have selected three options under this and I have to click on submit button. So once you click on submit button, as you can see here, it is asking us to upload the documents.